awesome GPS, Hayden.
Thank you.
And the sensor is installed under that, on top of a vent, which is very cool. Unobstructed, and the microphone for the Bluetooth is there. And he hasn't played any music for me yet. Oh well. Or is he going to? Barracuda?
If you wouldn't, no, I don't have that.
You don't have Barracuda?
If you wouldn't put your arm on my plastic,
need something better than that.
you need to shut up.
What are you playing?
We'll find out.
That sound is coming from behind me.
It is. There's a speaker behind you.
That's pretty cool.
Perhaps a bit too loud of a speaker.